Can the door reinforcement methods shown here be applied to back doors or patio doors for whole home protection? Reinforcing rear and patio doors starts by assessing the door type and frame material so you can choose compatible hardware and techniques. For solid wood or metal doors, install a heavy-duty strike plate with 3-inch screws that penetrate the framing stud to resist kick-ins. When replacing a standard strike plate, choose one with a wide faceplate and at least 3 long screws. For sliding doors, add a 2-part approach, fit a secondary foot bolt or track anchor to prevent lift-out, and install a tempered glass security film to delay window breaches. For non-lifting sliding systems, use a steel security bar in the track cut to fit so the door cannot be forced open. French doors require reinforcing on both the active and passive leaf, so fit head and foot bolts on the passive leaf and a reinforced keyed lock on the active leaf, and make sure the astragal is metal or reinforced wood to prevent prying. If the frame is hollow or damaged, repair or sister the frame with a solid block of wood or steel reinforcement before mounting new hardware, so the screws have structural backing. Remember, hardware compatibility matters, so measure backset, stile width, and door thickness, then choose locks and plates rated for those dimensions. 3 common mistakes are using short screws in the strike plate, which lets the door fail at the jam, ignoring the frame condition, which makes any hardware ineffective, and assuming solutions for hinge doors directly apply to sliding or French doors without modification. If someone uses short screws, we recommend immediately replacing them with 3-inch screws and verifying they reach the structural stud behind the frame. If the frame is rotten or thin, remove the trim, repair or sister the frame with a solid timber or steel plate, and then reinstall hardware so fasteners bite into good material. If a person treats sliding or French doors like a single hinge door, they should switch to purpose-built devices such as track anchors, foot bolts, head bolts, or reinforced astragals, and test the action so the reinforcement does not bind the door. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on door reinforcement and whole home protection, and we list many project descriptions and contact methods to make outreach easier for both homeowners and contractors. We also host a discussion community where we share installation experiences, ask questions about compatibility for non-standard doors, and network to find skilled tradespeople.